This 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak 27 SBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Norman, Oklahoma, 73072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.